Welcome back to the channel Gadgets for Gentlemen. In this video I'm going to unbox the Logitech MX Anywhere 3S as well as the Logitech MX Keys S. I purchased these items for my corporate job, for my office job, to have a better, more ergonomic as well as more productive workstation. So what I have here is a wireless mouse, USB-C, with a fantastic scrolling wheel, very nice ergonomic fit. What we have here is a very heavy, in this box, very heavy box. This is the wireless keyboard with a numpad, USB-C, graphite. This is the international keyboard to work with my Windows setup. So for my work, I'm working with a Windows computer. I have 3 screens and I wanted something on my workstation without wires, without taking too much space. But I do think that I need the numpad for my calculations. Without the numpad, the keyboard will obviously be a bit smaller. But with the numpad, it is more useful in my day-to-day work. So what do we have here? We have fluid, precise, advanced typing, programmable keys, comfort and stability, smart illumination. The backlight automatically adjusts to your lighting conditions. Here you can create the ultimate setup with the MX Keys Master 3S, but I actually prefer the Anywhere 3S because it's a bit more compact. I think this is for my small hands too big. The beauty about this product is you can connect it up to 3 different devices. It has a built-in battery with a full charge. It will last you 10 days or 5 months, depending if you use backlight or not. It has a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. I think we should just get started unboxing. Specifications of the MX Anywhere 3S. As you can see, it works with a bunch of different operating systems. It has quiet clicks, so when you click it, it doesn't make that clicking sound, but it's very subtle. We have a max speed scroll wheel. Precise, it should work on any surfaces. And inside also we have a charging cable. If it's fully charged, it will last you 70 days. So let's get started unboxing. First I'm going to start with the mouse. As you can see, super beautiful presentation. And here we have the mouse. This is really a beauty. So here goes the USB-C cable. You can switch between 3 different devices by holding the pairing button key. As you can see right here. I think the size for me is just perfect. The Master was a bit too large for my hand. I have a video on my channel about the Master. And here we have the on and off switch. And here we can find the USB charging cable, which is quite long, as you can see. And it reads Logi. So that is the USB-C, which will go right here. And as noted, clicking almost doesn't make a sound. I'll hold it in front of the microphone. You barely hear this clicking. Super nice, super nice. So I'm gonna give it a good charge right now. And then let's continue with the keyboard. Here we have it from the side. Nice profile. Super nice presentation. As you can see, on and off button. You can connect it directly with the Bluetooth, or you can use the Logibolt. And here we can see the Logibolt, which is basically just a USB adapter. See, this must be the Logibolt. There we have it. I'll put it to the side for now. And also right here we have that same USB-C charging cable with the Logi inscription. So there we have it. There was a card included. Reading, create the ultimate setup. Create the speed of thought with tools designed to transform your flow. Add an MX Master 3S to unlock full productivity. So that's nice. So here we have the keyboard, and actually the keyboard is quite heavy, honestly. So I think this is not something very portable for your briefcase or backpack, but this is a perfect setup for your work or for your home office. So we have very beautiful buttons that are quite spacious. We have a lot of function keys. Here we have the brightness of the screen, we have backlight, we have emoticon button, we have mute button, we have volume buttons, and as you can see you can connect up to 3 different devices. What I really like is the screenshot button right here, lock button when you work away from your computer, and we have a very rich numpad for calculations, calculator button. So very nice. Here on this part, this is the front, we have the on and off switch, as well as the USB-C port. There we have it. And as noted, that works flawlessly. So I'm going to give this a full charge and play around with it. Let's just see the responsiveness of the keys. I think these keys also make less noise compared to your traditional keyboard. So in combination with that mouse, I think this is going to be a very nice home setup for my home office with my Windows computer. Something very comfortable, very responsive, silent clicks. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this video has been useful to you. If it was, please leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.